coaches. Yung iba nagtatanong kung paano po ba makaload or makakaload po ba tayo kung wala tayong load at saka wala tayong wifi, wala rin tayong data. Ang sagot po dyan is yes. All you need to do is i-off natin yung ating wifi at saka yung data. Currently, naka-off naman siya. Ayan. Tapos, for example, ayan, kunyari, maglo-load tayo. Paste ko lang dyan kasi kinapi ko lang yung number. Ayan. Tapos, for example, ito, ano ba to? Ayan. Click mo lang yung load. Sabi niya, no internet connection. Tapos, are you sure you want to continue? Ayan. Tapos, confirm mo lang yan. Lalabas po dyan, messages and messengers. Since wala po tayong data and walang wifi, pipiliin po natin yung messages. Ayan. Automatically, XLA app encoded the codes for us, and all we need to do is click send. So kung alin dyan yung naka-activate na SIM card ninyo, kung Globe ba or Sun, ganyan, or kung SIM 1 ba o SIM 2 ba, click nyo lang po yun and automatic masisend po yun, maloload po yun. Thank you so much.